Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Doom mods. First, you will need a modern Doom source port, which is a modified game engine. GZ Doom is an excellent choice, offering broad compatibility and many features. You also need the original Doom WAD files, like Doom 2, WAD, from your game. These files contain the core game data that the source port uses. Once you have your source port, it's time to find some mods. Websites like ModDB and the Doomworld forums are fantastic resources for discovering new content. Mods typically come in PK3, WAD, or ZIP file formats. After downloading, create a specific folder, perhaps named Doom Mods, to keep everything neatly organized and easy to access for later use. Launching your mods is straightforward. The simplest method is to drag and drop your mod files, such as PK3, Zord WADs, directly onto the GZ Doom executable. For more complex setups or multiple mods, consider using a dedicated mod launcher. These tools provide an intuitive interface to select and activate various mods, ensuring a smooth and customized gaming session. Sometimes, mods might not work perfectly. Always check the mod's included documentation for any unique installation steps or requirements. Ensure the mod is compatible with your specific source port version. Some older mods might need an older port. If you face persistent problems, experimenting with a different GZ Doom build or an alternative source port can often resolve unexpected technical difficulties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.